everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you the review of the two most affordable primers available in Nykaa, Flipkart and Amazon. And these two primers are really very good for beginners and for those who are going to college because they don't want to invest a lot more money in buying primers because primers normally are a bit expensive ones. So these two primers are from Blue Heaven and from Inside Cosmetics. So recently I have purchased this and I have been using this since a couple of weeks. So this video is going to be all about these two primers. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video till the end. And without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, makeup primers are really very important to set your base because it blurs out your skin and it gives you a even tone finish, and it is really very good to apply on your face before you apply foundation or compact powder or whatever you want to apply on your skin. So it just blurs out your pores because most of us have small or large pores in our face. So it just covers the pores very nicely and gives you a even tone finish. So this is the job of a primer. So basically if you live in a humid climate and especially in India, you really need a primer to apply on your skin because those who live in a cold place and some hilly place, they don't really need a primer in spite of they have a very oily skin. So primers are really very important for the oily skin girls, and especially I have really very oily skin, so I need a primer to set my base. So the first product I want to talk about today, this is a primer for Inside Cosmetics, and this is 3-in-1 primer, protector and moisturizer. So this is long lasting and this is oil free, and this is a tube of 30 ml. So this is the packaging. This is a normal cardboard packaging and it has all the ingredients list behind, and the product is like this. So this is a normal white tube product with a black cap, as you can see. So I really like those products, any makeup products which has a tube packaging, because it is really very easy to squeeze them out, and when you are almost finished with it, you can also cut it up and finish the rest of the product, because बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट रह जाता है, अच्छा नहीं लगता है उसको वेस्ट करना. So I don't like to waste any products, so I just cut it up and use it. And trust me guys, it when you are finished with any foundation or anything which has a tube kind of packaging like this, and you cut it up and you can use the rest of the product for at least 1 week. At least it happens for me, so I don't like to waste any product. So that's a small tip. So this product is really very nice guys. I have been using this since last three weeks or something. So this is really very nice. I have made also a video on a bit expensive primers, that is a Lotus Eco Stay primer and Color Bar Perfect Match primer. So if you haven't watched that video, please go and check it out. It is in the I button. So guys, it happens that when you are buying an expensive product, the quality differs, but the work these two primers gives you is more or less equal, because I have used it and it works really good on me. So this primer cost 240 rupees only guys. Just imagine guys, this is so much affordable, just 240 rupees for a 30 ml product, and that's a really very great buy. And I haven't get any discount I guess on these two products, so maybe you will get any discount. And I have also attached all the links of these two from Flipkart, Amazon and also from Nykaa. These are available on every website, so I have attached the links in the description box below, so if you want you can go and check it out from there. So let me show you the texture of this This has a really very thick kind of texture. So it really gives you a very nice finish when you apply it. And when you apply it, just give a couple of seconds to set it on your face, and then you apply any foundation or compact. And this is applicable for any primer. You have to apply it and give it some seconds to set it on your face. Don't just go back to back applying products on your face. Just give every step few seconds to set it. So the next product I want to talk about is Blue Heaven primer. So this is Blue Heaven Perfect Makeup Base Studio Perfection Oil Free Non Greasy. So this is the packaging, and this has a like really very gorgeous purple color, as you can see. This is also a normal cardboard packaging, and the product is like this. So I just love the packaging, guys. Just see the color. This looks really very classy and give you a luxurious feeling. But trust me guys, this is only for 300 rupees. Again, a really very affordable primer. If you are a beginner, I will not suggest you to invest a lot more money on primer or any other makeup products, because I don't like to use expensive primer in my daily life. But when I go to some special occasions or when I shoot my videos, sometimes I use the expensive ones. But for daily basis, these affordable primers are really a good choice, and this really gives you a good finish. And this Blue Heaven one in fact is a bit better than the Inside Cosmetics one. It does its job really very well. It completely blurs out your pores and gives you a smooth finish. And let me just show you the texture. And this has in fact a bit more thicker texture than the Inside Cosmetics one. And this is like so silicone-y, and it when you just blend it, you will feel that smoothness, and it's just awesome guys. Just trust me and give this a try. You will not be disappointed, and this is just for 300 rupees. So why not guys, just go and get yourself a good primer. And the links are in the description box below. So I have purchased this two from Nykaa, and this is also available in other websites. So you can choose wherever you want to buy it from. And that is it for today guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned with me. Bye bye guys.